everyone, welcome to today's session. Today guys, I'm going to be talking to you about para summary and the 8 cardinal rules in order to crack the para summary questions. Para summary is a very important area when it comes to your VARC section, especially if you look at the last 3 years. 3 to 4 questions guys on para summary, which shows how important it is. Almost 9 to 12 marks and a difference of thousands of ranks. So it's a very important question. Now, when you look at other areas of VARC, there are tricks, there are techniques, there are approaches. But when you look at para summary, guys, there are rules. Now, when I say rules, it's absolute and all of you should know them. In order to achieve 100% accuracy, these rules are very important because they help you to differentiate between the options and eliminate the wrong options. So I'm going to tell you about the 8 cardinal rules for para summary today. Guys, I will be taking care of your entire VARC preparation, right? All the modules, whether it's RC, verbal ability, vocabulary, grammar, verbal reasoning, everything. But for that, you will have to meet me daily live at 8 p.m. CAT for MBA channel. Let's crack it, guys. Let's crack CAT 2020. That's our mission. So daily live, 8 p.m. CAT for MBA. Today's agenda is importance of para summary and 8 cardinal rules. Before we come to it, let me also tell you about that daily, guys, this channel will take care of your preparation for your CAT exams. CAT 2020, that's our mission. So do come in live, CAT for MBA channel. Do join and subscribe to the Telegram group as well. And let's crack it. Let's learn together and let's achieve 99 or 100 percentile in our CAT exams. Okay. Also, guys, please take the Unacademy Plus subscription. Why do you have to take the Unacademy Plus subscription? For a host of benefits. Daily live classes, and that too interactive classes with top educators teaching in the space across the country. One-time subscription gives you access to all the courses, 100 plus courses, whether it's DI, LR, quantitative ability, VA, RC, GD, PI, written ability test, all of this on one-time subscription. Okay, and you get to write mocks as well, India-wide mocks. So you get to know where you stand in comparison to all the other students, which gives you a real CAT feel. Guys, think about the 12-month or the 24-month subscription. Reason being, जो हमारे CAT selections है, those happen finally next year, May तक. तो तब तक you need complete support on all the modules, on all the strategy sessions, on all the mocks, on all the GD, PI, written ability test. So think about the 12-month or the 24-month subscription, one-time subscription, access to all great content. And you get to learn from the creme de la creme. So use my code RITUMBA and you get 10% off and a lot of benefits, guys. So do subscribe to Unacademy Plus. Remember, CAT, guys, happens once a year. So if you miss the bus, you will have to wait another year in order to catch the bus. So don't let that happen. Especially in today's circumstances, guys, one of the best options that you have is to do an MBA from a premier institution, an IIMS. Why not? So for that, subscribe to Unacademy Plus and use my code RITUMBA. Easy to remember. Ritu is my name. MBA is our mission. Okay, and that will give you 10% off. So coming to today's topic, guys, importance of para summary. As I mentioned, 3 to 4 questions on para summary. Now, the para summary has been a consistent feature of CAT 2017, 2018 and 2019. The only difference that's come in, guys, over the years is what these questions are called. So they can be called para summary, they can be called line summary, they can be called essence of text, author's position. The basic approach is the same. So what is different over here is slightly, the pattern changes. Now, I'll explain this to you. Look at this. Now, when it comes to para summary questions, the basic thing is what you get is you get a paragraph. Okay, आपको एक paragraph मिलता है, sourced from different articles, sourced from different sources, whether it's newspapers, magazines, journals, a paragraph or an article taken from there. You get 4 options, as in the case with all the CAT questions. 4 options मिलते हैं आपको. You have to select the option which gives you the best gist or which gives you the best, which condenses the passage, which gives you the essence of the text. Now, in para summary, that is the first one here. Para summary, the options that you used to get were slightly lengthy, guys. 2 to 3 sentences के options मिलते थे. तो जो भी 2 से 3 important points है paragraph में, वो आपको ढूंढने पड़ते थे. This got changed a little bit to line summary. In line summary, what happened was, instead of, the options being 2 to 3 sentences, the options were 1 sentence options. Okay, now when I say one sentence, you're looking at the main point, the most important point. You're looking at the essence of the text or the key message, the central idea. That was line summary. Essence of the text. Again, similar thing. Essential, essence of the text means the most essential point. Correct? So again, you're looking at the key message. Why has the author written the passage? Basically, you're looking at the key message there. This question again was the name was changed and it was called author's position. Again, you're looking at it from the author's perspective and seeing what is the message the author is trying to give you. So in all of this, all you've understood is we have to search for the main point. Correct. Now this I'm sure guys that all of you understood ki okay, para summary, we have to summarize it, means we have to take the main points. Basic. But there are 8 cardinal rules which a lot of students don't know. Now, what are these 8 cardinal rules? They help you to differentiate and compare and eliminate the options. Which options are irrelevant? Which options are incorrect? Which options are incomplete? What are these rules? Pay attention, guys. Very important tips I'm going to share with you now. First point, no examples. Why? Because examples are not main points. Examples are supporting ideas. For example, if the passage says, many leading banks such as ICICI Bank, HDFC, SBI have implemented this scheme. Okay, now look at it. The original text gives you examples. What are the examples there? ICICI, HDFC, SBI. You cannot select an option which gives you these three examples. Why? Because these are supporting ideas. These are not the essence of our text. But you can select an option which gives you the meaning. You can select an option which says many leading banks have implemented this scheme. The meaning can definitely come across, but the examples cannot come across. Great point. Remember this. No examples. No statistics. Why? Again, supporting idea. If the passage says 70% of India's population depends on agriculture for its sustenance, 70% of India's population, this 70%, these numbers, these percentages, you cannot select an option which gives you that. Yes, you can select an option which gives you the meaning again. You can select an option which says majority of India's population. Okay, what about dates? Dates are allowed, guys. Dates are not statistics. So when I say statistics, numbers, percentages, these are not allowed. No quotations. Why? Because it should be in the author's own words. Quotations. The author quotes someone. Mahatma Gandhi once said, "Be the change you wish to see in the world." If the author uses this quote, Mahatma Gandhi once said, "Be the change you wish to see," you cannot select an option which gives you this quote. Why? Because quotations are not the author's own words. Correct. So no verbatim lifting of quotes, guys. Very important to remember. Fourth point, no idioms, no proverbs. Again, flowery language. Kya zarurat hai iski? The question says, this project is all crust and no filling. You cannot select an option which says all crust and no filling because it's unnecessary flowery language which is making our text unnecessarily, it's making it lengthy. But yes, you can select an option which says this project is not profitable. This project is not substantial. The meaning can come across again. Clear? Points 1 to 4, guys, will make our summaries, I would say they would make our summaries irrelevant, out of context, because these points are not important. These are supporting ideas. These are not main ideas. What should be present is again the main ideas, the main points. Okay, the meaning should not be distorted. Very important. The meaning should not change. No Chinese whisper cases happening here. Meaning nahi badalna chahiye. I will show you a question today, guys, where we're going to implement all of these rules. The meaning should not change. If the author says 70% of India's population depends on agriculture, you cannot select an option which says half of India's population depends on agriculture. You cannot select an option which says some people in India depend on agriculture. No, you cannot do that. The meaning will change there. Okay, so no distortion, no twisting of data, no twisting of information. Nothing irrelevant out of context, guys. This makes this question easy. क्योंकि whatever is given only that, उतना ही तो हमको condense करना है. अपने तरफ से कुछ नहीं जोड़ना है. We should not add anything from our side. No suggestions, no solutions, no advices, no assumptions, no interpretations from our side. जितना दिया है सिर्फ उसी को कंडेंस करना है. That's all. And obviously, when you say summary, it goes without saying that it has to be shorter than the original text. But that does not mean that you select the shortest option and mark that as your answer. है ना? पर हाँ, summary है तो shorter होना चाहिए, lengthier नहीं होना चाहिए. इसीलिए तो idioms, proverbs, flowery language ये सब नहीं आते, क्योंकि unnecessarily lengthy नहीं होना चाहिए. Okay? These are the 8 cardinal rules. And two very important points that I want to focus on here as well, guys, is this. Always try to catch the author's position. What is the author trying to say? What is his tone? Whether the passage is positive, negative, or neutral. If the passage is positive in tone, the option that we select also should be positive in tone. If it's negative in tone, the option that we select should also be negative in tone. Very important. And remember, there is nothing as perfect summary, because every option is going to leave out some or the other point. That is why it's called summary. So it's all a game of comparison and elimination. Compare, eliminate. Compare which option gives you the most important point, which gives you the essence of the text or the author's position. Elimination is a key word, guys. Whether it's VA or RC, always eliminate the options. Especially this word holds most true for this question. No option will be perfect. Remember that. Everything will miss out something. You just have to compare and eliminate and select the right answer. Okay, this has examples out. This has statistics out. This has irrelevant points out. This option is going against the author's tone out. Keep eliminating. Okay? Right, now let's put this into practice. I have a question for you. Come on, let's read it and then I will show you the options and we will try and crack it. Newspapers are dying. The music industry, always, guys, keep a pen and a paper handy with you. Even in the exam, please keep making notes of the important points, notes of the proper nouns. What do you think should figure in your summary? What is the author's key message? Always keep it at hand. Very important. Okay. Newspapers are dying. The music industry is still yelping or crying about iTunes. Book publishers think that they are next. Newspapers are dying. Book publishers think they are next, means they will also start to become irrelevant. They will also begin to die. Yet, focus on these words, guys. Very important. The words which indicate a contradiction. Yet, but, however, though, although. Crucial words. One bit of old media seems to be doing rather well. So, a lot of old media is being replaced by this sort of new media. Correct. But one bit of old media seems to be doing rather well. Which is that? In the final quarter of 2009, the average American spent almost 37 hours. Be very careful. This is a statistic. This should not figure in our options. Earlier this year, again, this 116 million should not figure in our options. Saw the Super Bowl, TVs. So which media are they talking about? TV. Far from being cowed or scared of the new media, TV is colonizing it. TV is taking over it. Shows like examples, American Idol, Britain's Got Talent should not figure in our options, should not figure in the right option. Examples these are. Draw huge audiences partly because people are constantly messaging and tweeting about them and discussing them on Facebook. So we've got a gist of the passage that a lot of old media, for example, newspapers, book publishers are not doing that well. They feel that book publishers feel that, it's their turn next, that they'll become irrelevant soon. One bit of old media is doing rather well, and that is TV. Okay, and especially in which context are we talking about it? हम लोग बात कर रहे हैं American context से. Okay, now let's come to it. But remember, statistics should not figure. Okay, ma'am said statistics should not figure. Our job becomes very easy. Option 2 goes out. Immediately देखते ही दिख जाता है 37 hours. Out. Okay, we had discussed, guys, कि कोई examples नहीं आने चाहिए. है ना, वहां पे ब्रिटेन्स गॉट टैलेंट दिया है, अमेरिकन आइडल दिया है, वो एग्जाम्पल्स भी नहीं आने चाहिए. तो आप जल्दी से देख लो, इज देयर एनी ऑप्शन विच इज गिविंग अस एग्जाम्पल्स? एनी ऑप्शंस? नो. ओके, सो वो सेफ है, पर हाँ, ऑप्शन 2 आउट हो जाता है. ओके, नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू रीड ऑल द ऑप्शंस. लुक एट 1. Though newspapers, the music and publishing industries are dying. Are the publishing industries dying? I have to check this once. Newspapers are dying. Music industry is still crying. Book publishers think they are next. उनकी बारी अभी तक आई नहीं है. They think they are next, so they are not dying. They think that they will start dying. So isn't this a distortion that publishing industries are dying? They are not dying now. They think that they are next. Distortion है. मैम ने बोला distortion नहीं आना चाहिए. Correct. So which option goes out now, guys? One also goes out. Look at 3. Though newspapers, music and वापस यही publishing industries are dying, but they are not dying. They feel that they are next. Gone. So easy. Our answer option is 4. Newspapers, music industry and book publishers have been cowed by the new media. वो लोग डर गए क्योंकि book publishers भी सोचते हैं कि वो लोग next है. करेक्ट. और ये डिफरेंस भी देखो गाइज, यहाँ पे सिर्फ दिया पब्लिशिंग, यहाँ पे दिया बुक पब्लिशर्स. इट शुड बी स्पेसिफिक. यहाँ पे दिया बुक पब्लिशर्स, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. पब्लिशिंग इंडस्ट्री तो इट कैन बी योर एडवर्टाइजिंग, होर्डिंग्स, वो सब भी पब्लिशिंग इंडस्ट्री में आ जाते हैं. करेक्ट. सो डिस्टॉर्शन नहीं होना चाहिए. TV has coped well and still draw large audiences. American TV भी आ गया because that is our context as well. So what is our answer? 4. And we've arrived at it so easily just by using these 8 cardinal rules. Okay, I hope this is clear, guys. A lot more coming your way. A lot more, trust me. For that, take the Plus subscription. Very easy. Very important. Okay, you daily live classes, interactive classes, detailed analysis, mock tests. You get to know where you stand in comparison to the other students. Very easy to subscribe. Just install the Unacademy Learning app. Available across all platforms. Select CAT because that's our mission, that's our goal. Click on Get Subscription. Once you do that, you can select your CAT subscription plan. As I said, guys, 12 months, 24 months के बारे में सोचो. Difference सिर्फ एक month, difference ज़्यादा नहीं है price में. If you compare the price difference, 15,750 and 18,900, it is actually your 1 month subscription का difference. तो आपको एक महीने के price में एक साल का subscription और मिलता है. Okay? Use the code RITUMBA, you'll get 10% off. तो ये code use करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. Ritu, my name, MBA is our goal. Okay? 10% off, Ritu MBA. Don't forget the code. Host of benefits, guys, attached to this. Unacademy Plus subscription. Also tell your friends about the various other courses and popular courses which are available on the Unacademy platform. Aapke siblings, aapke friends. Tell them, guide them as well, guys, because this is the need of the hour. So CAT for MBA daily live. I'm going to be meeting you. Like, share, subscribe, join the Telegram group for a lot of material and content. So until I see you next time, guys, take care of yourself, keep learning, let's crack it, Mission CAT 2020. Okay, take care.